Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so check out for those. And I share my investment journey of stocks and shares and cryptocurrencies with you guys as well. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at how me and my family is doing in the saving challenge, and we'll be having a look at another way for you to save a bit of money. Can you guys believe this is already our 9th week in our savings challenge? Please comment below to let me know how you guys are doing, or to tell me what are you going to do with your savings this year. If you like having a savings challenge to stick to, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, so I keep looking for new ways to help you save money. So let's go check out how me and my family is doing. So having a look at our saving challenge, you can see I've invested £1, £2, £3 and £4. I also invested the 20 and the 21, the 46, 47 and 40. So that means I've already saved 184 for the savings challenge. Now I'll be using this for Christmas to try and give us another great Christmas this year, because it was so nice not to have to worry about where I'm going to get the money to buy all the presents and to buy all the nice foods and drinks. And we didn't even have to put anything on the credit card apart from the normal monthly stuff we do to try and build up our credit score. So it's that time of the year where the seasons changed, and I thought this is a great time to share an extra saving tip with you as well, something that we do in our household. Now last week we had really nice weather of getting up to 20 degrees, and this week we have snow for some reason. I don't really understand why. This just shows that you need to really plan for your wardrobe so you're ready for any occasion, especially when it comes to the kids, because they grow out of their clothes so quickly. So as the seasons are changing, Cindy knows this means we are going to be having a parade where she will be wearing all of her clothes. So as she comes down to show us her wardrobe, we put it into different piles. So the first pile is everything that's too small and looks still nice and neat that we can give to charity. The second pile is almost too small, ones that we can maybe still push through the season if we're lucky, if not maybe half of the season. And the next one is a just right pile, and then we've got the bin. So everything that looks tacky, that looks worn out and starts having tears goes straight into the recycling bin. And after we've gone through the whole wardrobe, we'll go back to the pile that's just right and take account of what clothes Cindy does have and start making a list of everything that she needs to ensure that she's got everything she needs for this specific season. So the next step is to go to the shop and to buy the things the kids need. Now, a great idea is to take them with you to help you decide, but if you do take them with you, show them the list of what you are looking for so they can help you find what it is they need in the colors they do like, instead of them running around and picking everything that they don't need, because kids like seeing shiny things and don't always think about the list. But if you get them to help you with the list, this will give them something to do, and they will feel important because they helped you pick their clothes. After you made the list for the kids' wardrobe, it's also a good idea to go through your and your partner's wardrobes to have a look if there's anything that you wanted to throw out that is tacky, or things you haven't worn for a while that might be able to go to charity, and only top up the things you need, because luckily we don't grow so often. So the amount of times we need new clothes is not as often as kids. But we would also like a new thing now and then. And while you're at the shops with the kids, if you've got girls, they might want to help you pick out your clothes. But we obviously help steer them in the right direction to get nice clothes, and then they feel included. This is a great bonding experience and a great way to save a bit of money, to only buy the things you need instead of buying a whole new wardrobe and there's a lot of clothes that could have been worn again. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.